Hi everyone. Today topic is Huckel-Mobius aromatic and anti-aromatic transition state method or aromatic transition state theory or perturbational molecular orbital approach. It is also named as PMO. Short form is PMO, perturbational molecular orbital approach. This method was proposed by Evans, Zimmermann and Dewar based on Huckel-Mobius aromatic concept. And any molecular orbital of molecule can be selected, that is perturbationally. Mainly, this theory concentrates on aromatic and anti-aromatic character of transition state. Anti-aromatic transition state activation energies are always more than aromatic transition states activation energies. And next point of the PMO, reactions proceeding through aromatic transition state when thermally allowed and photochemically forbidden. And also reactions proceeding through anti-aromatic transition state where photochemically allowed and thermally forbidden. Based on number of electrons and nodes, transition states are classified into two types. They are even number of nodes or odd number of nodes. Where Huckel transition state having, if 4n plus 2 pi electron, it is Huckel aromatic transition state. If Huckel transition state having 4n electrons, it is Huckel anti-aromatic. At the same time, Mobius transition state having 4n electrons, it is Mobius aromatic transition state. If it is having 4n plus 2 pi electrons, it is Mobius anti-aromatic. So we have one table to explain the aromatic and anti-aromatic for the transition state. If 0 or even number of nodes present in the 4n plus 2 pi electron system, it is Huckel aromatic transition state, thermally allowed, photochemically forbidden. In the second case, if 0 or even number of nodes present in the 4n system, it is Huckel anti-aromatic transition state, photochemically allowed and thermally forbidden. In third case, if odd number of nodes present in the 4n plus 2 pi electron system, it is Mobius anti-aromatic transition state, photochemically allowed and thermally forbidden. In the last case, if odd number of nodes present in the transition state having 4n electron system, it is Mobius aromatic transition state, thermally allowed and photochemically forbidden. For example, we are taking 1,3-butadiene. It is psi1 molecular orbital of the 1,3-butadiene. If we do the conrotation on this molecular orbital, we get one node. It is odd number of node. Odd number means 3 or fourth case. Mobius 4n system, aromatic transition state, thermally allowed, photochemically forbidden. According to the above table, 1,3-butadiene of psi1 molecular orbital in conrotation having one node due to it is Mobius aromatic transition state, thermally allowed and photochemically forbidden. For the dis mode of rotation for the same molecular orbital, it has 0 node or even no node. For this system, from the above table, 0 or even number of node. For the 4n system, Huckel anti-aromatic transition state, photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. For the disrotation, 1,3-butadiene of psi1 molecular orbital has Huckel anti-aromatic transition state, photochemically allowed and thermally forbidden. Next example, 1,3,5-hexatriene. It is 4n plus 2 pi electron system. In Kahn mode rotation, it has odd nodes, one node. 4n plus 2 pi electron system is Mobius anti-aromatic transition state, photochemically allowed and thermally forbidden because of it has odd number of nodes in the case of Kahn mode of rotation. And in the case of this mode of rotation, the same molecular orbital, even nodes. It is also same 4n plus 2 pi electron system, but it is Huckel aromatic transition state, thermally allowed and photochemically forbidden. Again, I am writing this table. For 4n system, Kahn rotation, Mobius aromatic transition state, thermally allowed, photochemically forbidden. If it is 4n system for the this mode of rotation, Huckel anti-aromatic transition state, photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. But for the 4n plus 2 system, Kahn rotation is Mobius anti-aromatic transition state, photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. And also 4n plus 2 system for the this mode of rotation, the compound in Huckel aromatic transition state, thermally allowed and photochemically forbidden. So these are the two examples for the electrocyclic reactions, that is trans 2,4 hexadiene. In thermal case, by Kahn rotation it gives thermally allowed and trans configuration. In the dis mode, photochemically allowed cis isomer. And one more example. It is also, in the case of dis mode of rotation, it gives cis, thermally allowed. In the case of Kahn rotation, photochemically allowed, it gives trans isomer.